welcome to this video. In this video, we'll try to learn how to use TensorFlow and Keras in Windows 10. So the first thing that you need to do is basically install Anaconda in your system. And now why are we doing Anaconda is because this particular software gives you a flexibility to install a lot of different packages irrespective of the platform. If it's in Linux, Mac or Windows, it still works the same way. So that's what we'll do. We'll use Anaconda. So download for Windows. This is my version. We'll go for Python 3.7 version, which actually helps us in a way to do machine learning. So my system is 64-bit graphical installer. I'll do that. If you have a system of 32-bit, you can do that as well. So there you go. So let's wait until it downloads. So it's almost done. Yeah, there you go. Click on the Anaconda. We'll install Anaconda right now. Next, I agree. Just for me. Let it be the same way it is. No need to do anything. In advanced option also, it'll ask you for two options: add Anaconda to my path environment, or just register Anaconda as a default Python 3.7. So it's better to go with the second one, not the first one. Let it be. Now it takes approximately like 5 minutes before it installs the whole thing. So we'll wait for it to install. Finally, it's almost done. It took me like what, half an hour to get this thing installed, Anaconda 3. So there's one more question that actually people ask, like if I can do machine learning on my normal PC or a normal laptop. Yes, you can definitely. But the speed of the whole response, whole learning would be very slow. And it's always better to have GPUs, but it's okay. It'll still run on your system until you do some very heavy graphic intensive calculation maybe. So yeah, that's it. So finally, Anaconda is installed. The first thing that we do is just go to Anaconda Navigator. Now, this Anaconda Navigator is a software which gives you a platform where you can install different kinds of packages with different versions for any different kind of project that you want. For example, for our case, let's just say we need to create a project named TensorFlow. So go to create, name it like TensorFlow, and then for Python, let's have 3.6 because I tested with 3.7 previously, like half an hour back, it didn't work. So have 3.6 as Python and create one. Now it will take a while, like it takes like 10 minutes before it actually settles down. So let's wait for it. So now everything has been done. Just go into search, and also first just do this all. Go into search for TensorFlow, and he will get a lot of different packages. For me particularly, I have a normal CPU. I don't have any GPUs. So just do TensorFlow. Click on to the TensorFlow is a machine learning library. Do that, and also at the same time do Keras as well. So now both of them will get installed on your system at the same time, and just do apply. It'll take a while again. It'll take like 20-25 minutes before everything installs. So let's see how it goes. It is asking for 35 different libraries before it actually gives you the platform. So yep, looks good. Yep, looks good. Just apply and wait for it to happen. So now everything is settled. Now we can see the TensorFlow has been installed and also Keras. So just to check if everything has been installed properly, we'll go back to the environment, play, open with Python, and just import Keras and enter. There should be no errors. That's all. Now congratulations, Keras has been installed. Now you can do many things. This platform will give you so much of bandwidth that you can do image classification, you can do regression, you can do all the things that you ever wanted to do in machine learning. So in the next video, we'll start with the first things first, like supervised learning. In supervised learning, we'll do image classification and see if it works out. So meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.